Hello again, this is Robert V. Chair. This is my video review of the XTOOL brand, their D7S OBD2 scanner, 2024 newest version, bi-directional scan tool. Now this is the wonderful case that it comes in, very, very durable, knurled on here for strength and support. It has really nice handles, keep everything in here. This is the first time I'm opening it up to see what's inside here. Looks like we have instruction manual information. We have cables, power supply for charging, more cables to connect to your computer, and the unit itself packed right inside here. So this thing has 4,000 plus active tests, all system diagnostic scanner for cars, 36 plus resets, ECU coding, DoIP/CAN FD, 3-year updates free included. And this is an upgraded version of their very successful D7. And this new product, just like the D7, gets excellent customer ratings. So if you've never had a scan tool before, they're really nice to have when you're working on your car. I'm going to be testing this on a 2012 Hyundai Elantra that has some issues. And I'm going to be updating the software, powering this on, and showing you all the controls it has and how to hook it up to any car. This is easy to use. This has a larger internal battery, and it also works with the XV200 Endoscope. I'll have a link for that in the description. You can connect that to this device to get further functionality of it. This internally has a 2 GB plus a 64 GB storage, DoIP and CAN FD like I mentioned, and that 36 plus resets and 3-year updates. Has a live data stream graphing system, data playback, record, covering 10,000 vehicles globally. So the odds that your vehicle is going to be on there are very, very high. All system diagnostics and bidirectional control, comprehensive car scanner that'll perform OE level diagnostics on all available systems. So you'll be able to read all kinds of things to see if you have some kind of a problem with your car, whether it be the steering, something in the ignition. There's the engine itself has all these personality controls, control the air mixture. You're going to be able to see what's going on. It'll check things like your air conditioner clutch, your ABS pump, your fuel pump, your cooling fan, your injectors, your horns. A lot of active test menus available for all vehicles. So without any further ado, let's take a look at this, and let's take it out of the package, and let's take a look at what the capabilities this actually has. Here's everything out of the nice storage case. We have a very high quality charge adapter, and it does come with the US plug on there, and it did have additional adapters for other countries that you could use. This is nice because the plug will collapse when you need to, and this has got ample current in here to drive this. It looks like it has 3 amps at 5 volts, and it has a little adapter, USB-A to USB-C, because the charging cable included is USB-C to USB-C, and there is the OB2 connector that you're going to connect to your car. On the unit itself, it has the OB2 connection right there, power, and then it has a silicone cover on the charge port. And power switch, of course. Make sure you remove the protective covering on there when you're going to use it. But this is a real nice size screen on here. So just taking a quick measurement, it looks like it's about 7-inch diagonal. That's really nice. So on the back of the included charger, there is a USB-C that you can directly use the cable. And this is if you have a USB-A adapter of your own. So the first thing I'm going to demonstrate is charging. I put the USB-C cable in there, and I'm charging it, and you see it was coming up with the percentage so that you could see what's going on. I could just touch the power switch right there and it'll give me the percentage. So let's let this thing charge so that we have a full charge, and then we'll get started on it. So I just finished charging it, and I turned the unit on, and let's see what it does. It says welcome over there, and it has a little finger right there, and now it's asking me the language, English. Use Wi-Fi, and it's going to pick the Wi-Fi that I have in my home, and I can put the password in. So now I have the Wi-Fi password in, so it can connect to my home Wi-Fi. It's initializing the settings on the unit, and you can create an account and then you can sign in. So I get a successful activation screen, and now I can start now on there, and it begins. Now it says, and I'm going to do an update since it's connected to my Wi-Fi. Might as well do that. And we're going to install that update. And there was an update screen right there, so I am going to update everything on here so that it's got updates for all the different cars on here. Might as well take care of that now also. And while that's updating, I want to show you the back right here. There's a little speaker, and then there's the built-in camera, and then it has this really nice high quality all aluminum stand so that you could really stand this up while you're using the product. So it took about an hour, and it downloaded everything, and you can see it says the word completed on there. So it installed it. Now it's ready to be used. I'm going to quickly show you there's a setting mode. You have the USB setting, you could have data transfer, expansion mode, and you have sound and display, so you can control the sound and the brightness of the display. And you also have a choice of the units in here, and a language of course. And the bot will tell you what version this is. And I just want to demonstrate, when you hit the home button, you can see that it is an Android full operating system. Another function is you can record what's on your screen, and I did record, and that allows you to capture what you're getting when you're diagnosing the particular vehicle that you're diagnosing. And the whole user manual is available. It'll install software to allow you to read it, and you can actually have the whole manual available on the device. Okay, so I have the connection on the device, and I have the other connection on the car plugged into the port below my steering wheel. So we got special functions on here: report, diagnosis. Let's try and hit that button right here, and it's asking me for the brand. So I typed in Hyundai, found it, and identified the VIN right here, and it has the engine and what it actually is right here. Here I identify the modules that's on the vehicle, and there's the two modules that are used probably for engine control. If you had some codes, some things lit up on your dashboard, you could clear those codes right there using that button. Here I'm doing an automatic scan. Let's see what it comes up with. So here it did find something with the air conditioner system and the junction box electronics. I did just have the air conditioner worked on because I had a leak in the condenser. Here's telling me there was excess pressure in the system, and that's correct. And then they corrected the problem and replaced the condenser coils and put new fluid in there. So I could probably clear that fault out. Second fault is detecting a tank fill level sensor, which I didn't know. So that's something that's got to be corrected. So for that air conditioner fault, we're going to clear that code. Here I've cleared out those two codes, and everything seems to be okay now. I searched for the vehicle in the screen Asia, and I found Hyundai directly, and it better identified the vehicle. So I did another automatic scan, and you see it's got the transaxle, engine control, electronic stability controller, airbag, and everything looks like it's a pass. I could still run diagnostics on it if I want. So diagnostics on the engine, you can see you've got check engine lamp, canister close, fuel pump control. You can hit any one of these and it will allow you to control that actual function. There is a live data button right there. You could select what you wanted to look at and then hit record, and it'll start extracting data in real time. So if you want to check your compressor, you want to check your fan, your headlights, anything like that, it's going to show you right here. And then you could pause it like that, and you could chart it in different ways. graphs, or however you want to look at the data on the screen for your analysis. And you could also save this. When you're done, you could save it. It'll save it into the system. So after testing, what do I think about the XTOOL D7S OBD2 scanner? Really, really nice product. As I demonstrated, there's so much capability. Got your charger, the C to A converter, the C cable, and this amazing case that's going to allow you to keep everything in here secure, and this amazing product with all the functionality that it has. There's just so much that I could show, but the video would be like 5 hours long. Got so much capability. So I'm impressed with this product. They really did their homework with it. XTOOL did an amazing job. I'm going to give it a full 5-star rating. Please remember to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to alert you new video uploads. And if you thought this review was helpful, please hit the like button. There'll be an ordering link in the information section of this video review. Please use that link when you order this product to help support this channel. I hope this video review helped you with your buying decision. Thank you for watching.